Hello everyone, welcome to Chidebere Maths class. Today we are going to look at this topic, factorization of difference of two squares. So under this topic we want to look at this question, factorize x squared minus what? 16. Solution. So write the question again, x squared minus 16. So in solving this question, we'll have a general rule for difference of two squares. So to factorize difference of two squares, we have that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So this is a general rule for factorizing difference of two squares. The two squares there are a squared and b squared. The square on top of a and the square on top of b, that's the two squares. And the difference there is what? Minus. Minus means difference. So that's why we call it difference of what? Two squares. So in factorizing difference of two squares, we always write a plus b times a minus b, because when you expand this a plus b times a minus b, you will arrive back at this what? Answer. So that's why we have that the factorization of any difference of two squares in this form will always be a plus b times what? A minus b. So having seen that, let's now look at this question. So this question is not yet in this form, a squared minus b squared. We have x squared here, that's one of the squares, but this 16, we also have to reduce it or to make it to look like this b squared here. So let's start. So have x squared minus 16. So this is equal to x squared minus 16 here is 4 times 4. That's what will give us the square. 4 times 4 is equal to what? 16. So which means 4 raised to power 2. And you know 4 raised to power 2 means 4 times what? 4. So that's 4 squared. So now this x squared minus 4 squared is now looking like this general rule of difference of two squares. So where x we replace a and 4 we replace what? B. So when you do that, you will get x plus 4 times x minus what? 4. So and this is the answer. So we have that x squared minus 16 is equal to x plus 4 times x minus what? 4. So this is the answer to this question. So whenever you have any difference of two squares in this form, so the answer is always x plus 4 times x minus 4. So you follow the general rule for difference of two squares. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Also in your comment section, if you have any question, you can ask it there in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.